My mate Brad had a World War II Lee-Enfield 303 rifle that he wanted me to research. And what a story it told.
So this is the 303, made in Lithgow, and the maker's stamp is there. And obviously here we have the initials of the man it was issued to, and he scratched his regimental number there. In the butt plate you can take that off, and the cleaning kit's still in there. And the bolt goes in here. And then we have a magazine, 10 cartridge magazine, so it goes in there and you're ready to go.
The rifle belonged to sapper Rory McDonald, who served in the Australian Army in Darwin when it was being bombed during World War II. 3 of Rory's brothers served in the First World War. One brother was awarded a military medal for bravery. Another brother was one of the many Australians killed at the Battle of Fromelles. Rory's uncle served in the Boer War with the New South Wales Lancers and was awarded with a Distinguished Service Order, which is just short of a Victoria Cross. Recently, the remains of 250 soldiers lost in the Battle of Fromelles were discovered and reinterred. The remains of Rory's brother was identified by DNA testing. Rory's nephew was there when the headstone was dedicated, and his grandnephew recited the ode. It's amazing how one rifle can reveal so much history out there.